Hey everybody, it's Swaminathan. I got a lot of emails on the SwingTradeMAX and wanted to see the how the trading room works and what kind of trades we took. So I thought I'll just go ahead and show you the actual chat room itself. And so here we are. We started this month, Monday, Jan 5th. And I guess bought some Apple calls here at the open. I'm not sure if we bought it, but I'm just going to go slow so you can see all the stuff that's going on here. So, okay, so we bought some FB, Facebook and Baidu, 80 calls, 240 calls on Baidu. Apple is in 2 days it was up 30%. Apple is up 40%. So I'm just going to go slow, and you can see it. And so Baidu is also on a tear, 35% up. So then then we closed Baidu, 35%, because that was a very good $1,500 profit on 10 contracts. Then what we did, let's see, so Facebook is also up 40%, closing that too. And closed Apple out also, I believe, at 37% right here. So that's as far as the first 3-4 days were concerned. Then we didn't take a trade on Jan 8th, and let's see, January 9th also we did not take a trade. So one of the things is you want to sort of time the trades properly, because especially in a swing trading system, you want to align the market, the stock, and the price and everything together. So that's what the signals do, and that's what our analysis does in the SwingTradeMAX. So we wait for the right opportunities. We don't trade just for the sake of trading. And so here, again, some of these are giving good signals. Let's see, bot went into Facebook again, and then let's see, this is just some discussions going on. So there's always a lot of discussion going on various things. Oil especially has been in the news this month. So then I think Facebook was going down. We can double down, blah, blah, blah. And then Baidu is looking decent again, so maybe entered Baidu, I believe. I'm not sure. Let's see. Um, okay. So anyway, yep, Baidu is up 50%. Taking it off. We closed it out at 50% returns. Apple looks like a good signal. I believe we bought into Apple again. Turning around, Apple up 15%. Netflix reported great results. Looking at March 430 calls. Boom. Yep. Apple is up for 40%, taking Apple off at 35% profit. Buying Netflix calls. Netflix is up big. So within a matter of a couple of hours, Netflix is up $2,300. We're going to convert it to a free spread and free debit spread. Okay. So that's as far as the Netflix is concerned. Then there's some discussions on how we adjust the trade and manage the trade. So, I explain some of these things, how you can convert it to a free spread. And of course, a couple of people like that. And so and once again, yep, that's an excellent technique to protect profit. So all of these kind of discussions go on here. So people can learn about things too. So I'm active in the trading room. And then this is just some discussions going on about commissions and things like that. That's all. Yep, Netflix is going up again. Then let's see, what did we do? After that, we are in Jan 21st. All right, Netflix is doing awesome, selling the 440 calls. Facebook was down on the earlier trade. Now it's come back to break even. And then let's see. Lots of stocks reporting. Of course, we ran into earnings season also. So again, yeah, finally Facebook is up 25%, booking 20%. This was a trade that had gone against us, but we adjusted and hung in there and brought it back to a profit. Netflix, we did some more adjustments here. So then what did we do? Then we turned it into some kind of an iron condor structure. Then we were thinking of adding a bear call, but we didn't do that. And so then this is the Apple earnings trade where this trade actually got us a full, not just 300%, 400% profit. That happened in 3-4 days here. So there we go. Buying the Baidu March 250 calls. Going for nice caught Baidu in an upswing, but I believe this trade we still have on and it's adjusted at this point. And then let's see some more discussions around high frequency trading and all of that stuff. Sea of red everywhere. I guess we had a pretty down day. And then let's see, discussing the Apple trade over here. All right, so let's see, what did we have? What did we do? After that, there doesn't seem to be any trades here. All right, just some discussions going on. And Baidu is down 15%. Okay, then if it goes down, then we have some adjustment tactics that will go in. All right, let's see. All right, then this was Apple earnings, which was obviously a very big earnings report, and some more discussions here. So and then another couple of adjustments. Then we went buying Apple 120 calls. Then some more discussions. Baba was a loser on the earnings, and so we gave up. I believe we lost about 30% on Baba. But that was actually a day trade. That was a day trade. It wasn't one of the swing trade ones. And then we got back into Facebook. Facebook is up 60%, closed up 60% on Facebook. Amazon had a great earnings report last night. So, but futures were still down, and but we still we booked profits close to 40% on Apple March 120 calls, and even the day trade at 50%. So we had two trades on Apple, and here's a customer, Gary, who, total realized gain 589. That's about 40% on that trade. We exited Apple as a at the right time. So that's where we stand. Today is Friday, January 30th. So this is how the trading room goes. So on average, in this swing trade, we take about 10 to 12 trades a month. As you can see, out of 10 to 12, 11 are clear winners with 40% and 50% returns. And I trade 10 contracts size. People may not trade that much, but on a 10 contract size, that works out to a profit of about, on very small, it's not huge. It's about 5,000, but then capital deployed at any given time is only about 25,000, 30,000. So, it comes up to a pretty decent 20%, 30% return a month. So that's how this room functions. So hopefully you'll get a good idea of how the trading room goes. And it's open every day. You can access this trading room from your desktop or from your mobile. You'll have to download an app. It's called HipChat. HipChat app is free, and it runs on Android as well as iPhone, iOS. All right. So if you have any questions, send me an email, info@optiontiger.com. Thank you.